Greetings, dear viewers of the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey through the world of RVs, where we will explore the various classes available to you. So, whether you're a seasoned RV enthusiast or just starting your adventure, this comprehensive guide will help you make an informed decision when choosing the perfect RV for your next trip. When it comes to RVs, there are three primary classes: Class A, Class B, and Class C. Each class offers unique features and caters to different needs and preferences. Let's start with Class A RVs, often referred to as motorhomes. These are the most luxurious and spacious RVs, resembling a home on wheels. Class A RVs are built on a motorized chassis and offer unmatched comfort, abundant amenities, and ample living space. They are perfect for long road trips and those who prioritize luxury and comfort. Moving on to Class B RVs, also known as camper vans. These are much smaller and agile compared to Class A RVs. Class B RVs are built on van chassis and are perfect for solo travelers or couples who value mobility and ease of maneuverability. Despite their compact size, Class B RVs are designed to provide basic living amenities, such as a sleeping area, kitchenette, and bathroom facilities. Lastly, we have Class C RVs, which bridge the gap between Class A and Class B. Class C RVs are built on truck chassis, making them larger than Class B RVs but more compact than Class A. They offer more space, often featuring a separate bedroom, dining area, and a fully functional kitchen. Class C RVs are a popular choice for families or groups looking for comfort and convenience without the size and cost of a Class A RV. In conclusion, choosing the right RV class depends on your personal preferences, travel needs, and budget. Class A offers luxury and space, Class B provides mobility and convenience, while Class C strikes a balance between the two. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights into the different RV classes available. We are going to delve into the world of recreational vehicles and discuss the intriguing differences between pull campers and fifth wheels. Whether you are a seasoned RVer or just starting out on your RV journey, understanding these differences can greatly enhance your overall camping experience. First, let's talk about pull campers. As the name suggests, these RVs are designed to be hitched to a towing vehicle. Pull campers come in various sizes and styles, ranging from compact and lightweight trailers to larger, more luxurious models. One of the key advantages of using a pull camper is its versatility. Since they are not permanently attached to the towing vehicle, you can easily unhitch and leave your camper at the campsite while exploring nearby attractions with your towing vehicle. This convenience allows for more freedom and enhances the overall flexibility of your trip. On the other hand, fifth wheels are a type of RV that attach to a specialized hitch placed in the bed of a pickup truck. Unlike pull campers, fifth wheels tend to offer more space and amenities due to their unique design. They often have multiple levels, slide-outs, and spacious interiors, making them highly suitable for extended camping trips or full-time RV living. The hitch placement of a fifth wheel provides better stability, improved towing performance, and enhanced maneuverability compared to pull campers. Ultimately, your choice between a pull camper and a fifth wheel will depend on your personal preferences, camping goals, and tow vehicle capabilities. We hope this explanation has shed some light on the key distinctions between pull campers and fifth wheels. Remember, both options have their own merits and can significantly enhance your RVing adventures. So, whether you opt for a pull camper or a fifth wheel, what matters most is getting out there, enjoying the great outdoors, and creating lifelong memories. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: obtaining a driver's license for RV classes. If you're planning on living the RV life or just want to hit the road for an adventure, It's essential to ensure you have the correct license to drive your RV legally and safely. RV classes are categorized based on various factors like vehicle size, weight, and features. Understanding these classes will help you determine which license you need to obtain. Class A RVs are the largest and heaviest, typically resembling a bus or tractor trailer. To drive a Class A RV, you will likely need a commercial driver's license, CDL, especially if it exceeds specific weight limits. CDL requirements vary by state, so it's crucial to research your local regulations. Moving on to Class B RVs, these are usually smaller motorhomes or conversion vans. Generally, you do not need a CDL for a Class B RV. However, some states may require an endorsement or additional testing, especially if your RV exceeds a certain weight. Finally, Class C RVs are the most common and widely recognized motorhomes. These typically have a distinctive extended cab over the driver's section. Although they are smaller than Class A and B RVs, you'll still need a regular driver's license with the necessary endorsements. It's important to note that license requirements may differ from one state to another. Some states may impose age restrictions, medical exams, or educational tests. We strongly advise visiting your local Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV, or equivalent licensing agency to gather accurate and up-to-date information for your specific location. Before applying for a driver's license, it's wise to take a specialized RV driving course. These courses provide valuable training on handling the unique characteristics of an RV, such as turning radius, braking distance, and backing up. They also cover safety precautions and essential driving techniques specific to RVs. In conclusion, when venturing into the world of RV life, obtaining the appropriate driver's license for your RV class is crucial. Familiarize yourself with your state's licensing requirements and consider taking an RV driving course to enhance your skills and confidence. We hope you found this information valuable and informative. As always, thank you for being a part of the Daily RV Life community. Until next time, the Daily RV Life team.